How's everybody doing today? VGR sent me another clipper to review for you guys. This is going to be the VGR 015 clipper, and it comes in the suitcase style packaging. And I've said this before, guys, VGR probably has one of the best packaging in my opinion. So let's get right into this unboxing so you guys can see what's in the box. The box itself is incredible, but when you open it up, that's where the magic happens. Unboxing this clipper is almost like opening up a safe box. Everything is neatly put into place, just waiting to be used. Presentation 10 out of 10. We are going to start with the main star of the show, the clipper itself. This will have a 9,000 RPM motor, DLC coated blades, a lithium 2500 milliamp battery, 120 minute work time, and it will have two types of charging. The first one is by a charging stand and the second by USB Type-C. The clipper also comes with a light indicator to show when it is running out of power. The rubber on the faceplate is a really nice touch. Oh, before I forget, it does have a metal body. This clipper does feature a vapor style blade that does not leave the fade too sharp, but it does leave a soft blend, which I am extremely impressed by. This clipper also features a clicky lever, which has 5 cutting positions. The more and more I look at this clipper, the more I am enjoying the color. Now, if you're not a fan of the gold, it does come with a separate faceplate that you can put on it, which also includes a front rubber grip, and it also includes a screwdriver and extra screws just in case some get misplaced. Now we are getting into something that I find super fascinating about this unboxing, and it's this charging stand. It does have some weight to it, and I personally think it is a very well built charging stand, but this is where it gets extremely interesting. It's not just a charging stand, guys. When you plug it in and you set the clipper down, you are going to see that it starts to pulse. This is so interesting and so fascinating. I couldn't believe it when I first saw it. Now you're gonna get 6 guards, starting from the half clip all the way to the number 4 guard. I do like that VGR always includes a brush. You can never have too many brushes. This is another thing that I really do enjoy that VGR does, and that they include a braided USB Type-C cable, but you do not get the charging brick to go with it. And last but not least, let's not forget how much generous oil VGR gives you. So what are my professional thoughts on this clipper? They are on the smaller side. There's a clipper similar to this that I do enjoy using, but I'm not a fan of the size. But the VGR clipper seems to be a tad bit wider from the faceplate, so it does feel better in my hand. Like I said earlier, it does not blend the fade super sharp, but it does leave the blend soft. And if that's something you are looking for in a clipper, you will definitely find it in this one, or you can always change the blade. I do have to say one thing that I am not a big fan of, and that is the charge time. It has a 3-hour charge time and 120 minute run time. I do feel like they should be the other way around, but you know, for a $120 clipper, I cannot be mad. You can even get this even cheaper if you find a discount code. Who is this clipper for? If you are just starting off and cutting at home, this is way too overkill, but I do recommend it. If you are a beginner to medium level barber, I highly recommend this. And if you are an experienced barber, what are you doing? Why don't you have these yet? For the price, these are way too good to pass up. Thank you, VGR, for sending these out. Have a blessed day, guys.